how to use the rich text editor in Wakelet. To add text notes to a collection, in the edit mode, click here and type your text. If you highlight the text, you can change the formatting with our rich text editor, making it bold, italic or underlined. Clicking H1 and H2 lets you choose heading sizes. You can enable bullet points and even add hyperlinks. Highlight the text, click here, and paste the link you want to add. When you've finished editing your text note, click Save. This saves the text note as an item in your collection. To save the text item as well as any other changes that you've made to this collection, you must click here. If you have any questions about Wakelet, feel free to tweet our support team at Wakelet Support or email support@wakelet.com.